up you guys? Yes, today it's Bird and Cloud here. It doesn't sound right. It doesn't roll off the tongue.
Let's just get to the video. So we have 25 questions and we're answering them all.
Question number 1. When is your birthday?
July 21st.
My birthday is July 6th.
Question 2. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 siblings that I know of, but you know, there's always possibility for more.
I have 3 siblings, 2 sisters and 1 brother. Question 3. Are you in a relationship?
I'm single. It's fine.
Single?
Question 4. What's your favorite app?
Uno. I win! My favorite app is YouTube.
Mine is also YouTube.
Question 5. Favorite holiday?
Oh, I would have to say my favorite holiday is Halloween.
I don't know. I don't really have a favorite holiday.
Question 6. Waffles or pancakes? Both, because they're both amazing.
I like pancakes. You know what? Not doing it. Harder than you think. Question 7. Favorite animal?
Yeah, come on, my favorite animal is a wolf.
I like owls.
Question 8. Middle name? My name is Jasmine Scott.
Shelby may so right. Question 9. What's your go-to emoji whenever somebody talks to you because you have friends?
My favorite emojis are the laughing one, the one that's like shrugging, and then the cloud, because I'm Cloud.
Mine's the owl emoji because I'm a bird.
Number 10. Worst fear? Closets and clowns.
I love your emotions. Question 11. Do you believe in aliens?
Yes, I do, because there's like a whole frickety frackin' universe. So how can there not be other life forms?
I don't know what aliens are. I mean, unless they're in this video game, then sure, I don't know.
Question 12. How tall are you? I'm 5'4".
I think I'm like 5'6". Question 13. Do you like to draw? Oh, I like to draw. It's great. It's a rat.
14. Who takes the longest to get ready?
I think
Shelby.
I take longer.
Shelby.
Yeah.
100%.
Question 15. If you were the opposite gender, what would your name be? For us, if you were a boy, what would your name be?
Well, my mom never settled on a name, but she was considering naming me Jericho Orion. And then she gave up when she found out I was going to be a girl.
A name.
Question 16. Do you prefer cats or dogs? I think I prefer dogs. Just because I like dogs and they're nicer than cats.
I prefer both. I don't really have a choice because I'm not going to try and use big words. I'm going to stay hidden now. Number 17. What is your favorite quote?
Nothing gold can stay.
Winter is the best year. 2017 is the best season.
Number 18. What is your eye color?
My eye color is blue.
My eyes are green, but they change color with my mood.
Number 19. What are some cute things that guys do? So this is the list of cute things that guys do. We didn't feel like talking. So that's why we have a whiteboard here. Bought it just for this. No, we didn't. I'm lying, but we wrote it on here anyway.
Number 20. Cookies or brownies? I prefer cookies
over brownies. brownies. but not like those kind of brownies, just like normal chocolate I'm gonna stop talking. I also like cookies, I like both. Okay. If we both fell for the same boy, what would we do? I don't know. I don't think we would do anything. We have different types.
Yeah, we're not, yeah. Me too. What is our best school subject? My best school subject would have to be algebra, because I have an A in there and nothing else.
Right now I would say it's chemistry. Question number 1 to 3. What is our worst school subject?
Chemistry, English, and history.
I'm not very good at English or math or history.
24. Who and what is our highest streak on Snapchat? 163.
282 days, I'm gonna fall. Question number 25. Can we have a dance battle? Question number 1. When is your birthday? How did we get out? I could probably put all the way down in this.
I know I could, I just don't want to get died.
This is not sponsored. I love your emotions. Do I light up your world like nobody else?
Yes.
Pretty lit, eh?
Okay, we're done.